Not much is known about why this earthmover is pushing around cars in the city of Xuancheng and China's Anhui province. Perhaps there was an argument that broke out between the workers and the managers of the project. But for whatever reason, we know for sure that this is no way to parallel park a Beamer. We can only hope that the owners of these cars opted into the comprehensive, I know it might not happen, but cover me for it anyway, plan on their insurance policies.
Leave an insightful comment on TomoNews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.